This is how you make a functional helicopter in People Playground that follows the principles of George Cayley. Add wheels and make sure they tilt the entire airplane at least 85 degrees. Add wings to the airplane in the backside and on top of the airplane to make sure it doesn't crash into the ground when the propeller activates. Add the propeller in the front of the aircraft facing straight forward at 180 degrees. From there you can activate it and do whatever you want with it, but every detail you make may affect the weight and send the whole thing off course. Thank you for watching and follow for more People Playground tutorials.